welcome back to Snacks Box. In this video I'm going to show how to make paneer tikka with mint chutney. So let's get started. So first we need to marinate our paneer and some veggies. So for that here I have took 1/4 cup of thick curd, pepper half teaspoon, half lemon, and then I have took cumin powder, one and a half teaspoon cumin powder. I have used half teaspoon, that's why I have added 3 times. And then garam masala 1 teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, kala namak means black salt, red chili powder, two teaspoon of red chili powder, and then salt as per taste. Make sure to add a little bit of salt because we already added black salt. And this is the besan, 2 tablespoons, and then ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. So here I have took 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and we have to eat the mustard oil until it came like a stream. After it came like a stream, we need to add that in our masala mixture, stream or smoke type, and then mix it really well. So after mixing this, in this I'm going to add a little bit, means a pinch of food color. So I'll show you guys. And then the main secret of paneer tikka is the mustard oil. If you guys only use the mustard oil, you guys will get the restaurant taste and the flavor and the style of in your paneer tikka. So please use mustard oil. And then here I'm adding onion petals, capsicum petals, tomato, and mix it. Mustard oil, if you guys are not having available of mustard oil, you guys can also use normal vegetable oil. After mixing it, add paneer. Be careful, it may break. So add all the paneer. Mix it really well with the masalas. Don't use any spoon or a fork. You mix it using your fingers and your hand. So here I have mixed really well, and then just marinate it for 10 to 15 minutes, or even we can marinate for more time. Now after marinating, take any big toothpick. If you guys want to grill it on a pan, or else take any steel stuff like this, and then insert all the veggies and the paneer. Before inserting the veggies and the paneer, please insert the potato. Okay, it's like a end point, like that. It may not fall, the veggies will not fall. That's why insert any potato. Okay, and then insert all the paneer and the veggies on order. Like here I have inserted like capsicum, tomato, onion and paneer, and then I'm going to follow the same. So yes, I have did like this, and also at the starting point also insert a potato. And then here I have took the tandoori one, and then I have on the stove on the fire, and then I am just twisting it and I am going to cook it. Paneer will cook very easily and very quickly, so it is very easy to cook it. And be careful because the paneer will be falling down because it is so soft and smooth one. So our yummy paneer tikka is ready. So now let's see the combination for the paneer tikka, means the mint chutney. So the combination for paneer tikka is of course the mint chutney. So for that I have took half cup of mint leaves and 1/4 cup of coriander, and then 1 big tablespoons of thick curd, and then a half lemon juice. Okay, so now in this I'm going to add 2 green chilies. Now add salt as per taste, and we have to blend it, and I have blended it. I'll show you guys, and our mint chutney is ready. So our yummy paneer tikka with mint chutney is ready. You guys also try this recipe and like, share and comment down below and subscribe to Snacks Box.